Why settle for average coffee when you can enjoy barista quality at home? Meet the Philips L'OR Barista Sublime, your personal cafe in one sleek machine. With its exclusive double shot system, brew one strong cup, or prepare two coffees at once to share the moment. From rich espressos to smooth lingos and indulgent lattes, the full coffee menu is right at your fingertips. No waiting around, just insert your capsule, press, and enjoy calf-style coffee in seconds. Sleek, compact, and designed for everyday indulgence, it's the perfect upgrade for any kitchen. Discover bold flavor, rich crema, and pure convenience. The Philips L'OR Barista Sublime Cafe Moments, made at home.